Hi everyone, welcome to the 3-Minute Math YouTube channel, where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in under 3 minutes to help aspiring mathematicians achieve their competition math ambitions. Our problem today is from 2000 AMC 8, question 3. How many whole numbers lie in the interval between 5/3 and 2 pi? So to solve this problem, we can start by expressing 2 pi in terms of a fraction.